So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. I always say to stay subscribed. We have a good time on this channel. We have another hair install video today, and today's video is sponsored by Beaufox hair. I hope I'm actually saying this right, but they sent over this beautiful straight wig. I have it in the length 28, which is pretty much the longest wig I've had in a while. And then I also have 13x4 lace, and the lace is also transparent. I also haven't had transparent lace in a long time. I usually work with HD lace, but it's also good to, you know, diversify and try new things. But this is how the hair is looking. Really gorgeous. It's really long, it's really soft. I didn't mention the density, but I do have it in 210 density. So baby is full and packed and luscious and smooth. Like, I absolutely love this hair. I wore this wig a couple of times when I was in Nigeria. I'm currently back to Budapest. If you've not seen my Nigerian vlog, go ahead and watch that vlog. Okay, it's already up on my channel, so go ahead and watch away. Part 2 coming soon anyway. But back to the wig, it is absolutely gorgeous. You guys know that I usually don't do much with my installs, so I pretty much do the basics, 1 2 3, slap the wig on, and I'm out. I love glueless wigs. I love easy beginner friendly wear and go type wig. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below. Check out the brand, you'll definitely not be disappointed.
Turn this up right now, cause we're about to go in. Hey, set that